trains coming behind people.
What the fuck? Whoa! Fuck this guy, man. Right. Dude, I don't trust this guy, Andy. Get away from me.
I just got snowed in the eye.
Oh, fuck it! Oh, fuck it! Oh, fuck it!
Oh, that tree.
Look out for that tree.